Awards and honors. International Nobel Prize, the most prestigious award in the world. It was set up in 1900 under the will of Alfred Brunhall Nobel. The Nobel Prize was presented annually on the 10th December, the death anniversary of the founder. It is given in the field of peace, literature, physics, chemistry, physiology, or medicine from 1901 and economics from 1969. Winner of Nobel Prize from India: Abhijit Banerjee, Economics 2019, Kalya Satyarthi, Peace 2014, Venkataman Ramakrishna, Chemistry 2009, Amartya Sen, Economics 1998, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Physics 1983, Mother Teresa, Peace 1979, Hargobind Khurana, Medicine 1968, C.V. Raman, Physics 1930, Rabindranath Tagore, Literature 1913. Grammy Award: it is an award for the outstanding achievement in the music industry by National Academy for Recording Art and Science, America. It was started in 1959. India origin: Pandit Ravi Shankar got this 3 times. Pulitzer Prize, instituted in 1917 and named after U.S. publisher Joseph Pulitzer. It is conferred annually in the United States for the accomplishment in journalism, literature, and music. Next, Roman Magsaysay Award, instituted by 1959, named after Roman Magsaysay, the former president of Philippines. The award is given annually on 31st August on birth anniversary of Magsaysay for outstanding contribution in public service, community leadership, journalism, literature, and creative arts and international understanding. Man Booker Prize, instituted in 1968, is the highest literary award of the world, set up by the Booker Company and the British Publishers Association along the line of the Pulitzer Prize of USA. Right Livelihood Award. The Right Livelihood Award was established in 1980. It is also referred as Alternative Nobel Prize. It is given to person to honor those working on practical and exemplary solution to the most urgent challenges facing the world today. Oscar Award, instituted in 1929, this award was confirmed annually by the Academy of Motion Picture Art and Science USA in recognition of outstanding contribution in the various fields of filmmaking. The Indian film nominated for Oscar are Mother Teresa 1957, Salaam Bombay 1988, Lagan 2001. Bhanu Atiya was the first Indian to win an Oscar award in the 1982 for costume design in Gandhi movie. A.R. Rahman won 2 Oscars in 2009 for his working in Slumdog Millionaire. UN Human Rights Award, instituted in 1966, this award is given every 5 years for individual contribution to the establishment of human rights. Next, national award गुड़ा है भारत रत्न. भारत रत्न is the India highest civilian award. It was first award in 1954. The actual award is designed in the shape of a people live with Bharat Ratna inscribed by Devanagari script in the sun figure. This riverside of the decoration Satyamev Jayadev has been written in Hindi with inscription of state emblem. The emblem, the sun and the rim are of platinum. The inscriptions are in Blorist bronze. Winner of Bharat Ratna Pranab Mukherjee 2019, Bhupen Hazarika 2019, Nanaji Deshmukh 2019. Madan Mohan Malviya 2015, Atal Bihari Vajpayee 2015, Sachin Tendulkar 2014, CNR Rao 2014, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi 2008, Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan 2001, Professor Amartya Sen 1999, लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बरदलोई 1999, लोकनायक जयप्रकाश नारायण 1999, पंडित रविशंकर 1999, चिदम्बरम सुब्रमण्यम 1988, मदुराई सन्मुखबिदु सुब्बुलक्ष्मी 1998, डॉक्टर अबुल फकीर जिनुलादीन अब्दुल कलाम AP 1997, अरुणा असफली 1997, गुलजारीलाल नंदा 1997, जहांगीर रतनजी दादाभाई टाटा 1992, मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद 1992, सत्यजीत रॉय 1992, मोरारजी रामचंद्रजी देसाई 1991, राजीव गांधी 1991, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल 1991, डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी आम्बेडकर 1990, डॉक्टर नेल्सन रोलिलाहला मंडेला 1990, मुरुदुल गोपन्न रामचंद्रम 1988, खान अब्दुल गफर खान 1987, आचार्य विनोबा भावे 1983, नेक्स्ट मदर टेरेसा एंज गोंग्स बाजुस्पी 1980, कुमार स्वामी कामराज 1976, भराहगिरी वेंकटगिरी 1975, इंदिरा गांधी 1971, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री 1966, डॉक्टर पंदुरांग भमन काने 1963, डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन 1963, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद 1962, डॉक्टर बिदन चंद्र रॉय 1961, पुरुषोत्तम दास टंडन 1961, डॉक्टर दांडे केशव कार्बे 1958, डॉक्टर गोविंद बल्लभ पंत 1957, डॉक्टर भगवान दास 1955, जवाहरलाल नेहरू 1955, डॉक्टर मोक्षगुंडा विश्वेश्वराय 1955, नेक्स्ट चक्रवर्ती राजगोपालचारी 1954, डॉक्टर चंद्रशेखर वेंकटरमन 1954, नेक्स्ट डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन 1954, नेक्स्ट रिपब्लिक डे अवार्ड Padma Award which was instituted in 1954 is announced every year on the occasion of Republic Day. The award is given in the three categories Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. The award fall in line after the Bharat Ratna. These awards are not given to government employee except doctor and scientists. There are 3 Padma Awards. Padma Vibhushan is the second highest national award given for exceptional and distinguished service in any field. Next, Padma Bhushan is the third highest national award given for distinguished service in any field. Padma Shri is the fourth highest award given for distinguished service in any field. Next, Gallantry Awards. Paramveer Chakra is the highest decoration of Valor Award. It is the most conspicuous of the bravery or some act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. The medal is made of bronze. Next, Mahavir Chakra is the second highest gallantry award for act of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. The medal is made of standard silver. Next, Veer Chakra is award for act of gallantry in the presence of enemy, whether on land or sea or air. The medal is made of standard silver. Ashok Chakra. This is award for valor, courageous action of sacrifice away from the battlefield. It is highest military award during peacetime. Next, Kirti Chakra. The decoration is award for conspicuous gallantry. It is made of standard silver and it is circular in shape. The obverse and the reverse exactly the same in Ashoka Chakra. Next, Surya Chakra. The decoration is award for an act of gallantry during peacetime. Next, Sports Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, जिंदगी Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award is instituted in 1991 to 92 with the objective of honoring most outstanding sports person to enhance their general stature. It is the highest award based on to a sports person in India. It has been renamed as the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award as per the announcement made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi 6 August 2021. Next, Arjun Award instituted in 1961 by the Government of India to recognize outstanding achievement in national sports. The award carries on cash prize a bronze statue of Arjun and scroll of honor. Next, Dronacharya instituted in 1985. The Government of India recognized excellence in sports coaching. The award carries a cash prize, a bronze statue of Dronacharya, and a scroll of honor. Next, Dhyan Chand Award instituted in 2002 carries a cash prize, a plaque and a scroll honor. Plaque. This honor is given to those persons who have contributed to sports by their performance and continue promote sports even after their retirement for achieving sporting career. Next, Indian Cinema Award. Dadasaheb Phalke. Dadasaheb Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema. The highest national film award is named after him in 1969. This award is given to a film personality for his her outstanding contribution to the growth and development of Indian cinema. The award comprises of a Swarna Kamal, a cash prize 10 lakh and a shawl. Next, Dhundiraj Govind Dada Saheb Govind Dadasaheb Phalke silent feature film Raja Harishchandra 1930 was first indigenous feature film of India. Next, Ardesi Irani in 1931 released first full-length Turkish film Alar Alam. Mr. Devika Rani Rioris was the first person to receive Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 1969. Other national awards: Bharatiya Jnanpith Award instituted in 1961 May 22. Categories: A cash prize 11 lakh, a citation and bronze replica of Bagdevi Saraswati. This award is given for the best literary written by the Indian citizen in a language listed in English schedule of the Indian Constitution. G. Shankaran Kurun received first Bharatiya Jnanpith Award. Next, Gandhi Peace Prize established in 22nd October 1994 on the occasion of the 125th birth anniversary. Mahatma Gandhi carries a cash prize 1 crore. Indian government institute this annual prize encourage and promote the significance of Gandhian value over the world. Julius Nyerere Ghost First Prize. Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disaster Management and Development instituted in 1985. This prestigious award is regarded as Nobel, and over year it has been awarded to these persons who have done outstanding work for international peace, disaster management and development. Next, Borlaug Award instituted in 1973 carries a cash prize of 5 lakhs instituted to honor outstanding agricultural science. Next, Sahitya Akademi Award for outstanding literary work and carries a cash prize 1 lakh. Sahitya Akademi given 22 awards for literary works in the language which has recognized works. R.K. Narayan received first Sahitya Akademi Award. Next, Indian Defense. Indian Army Commands. Central Commands Lucknow, Eastern Command Kolkata, Northern Command Udhampur, Southern Command Pune, South Western Command Jaipur, Western Command Chandigarh, Training Command Shimla. Next, Indian Air Force. Central Air Command Prayagraj, Eastern Air Command Shillong, Southern Air Command Thiruvananthapuram, Southwestern Air Command Gandhinagar, Western Air Command Delhi, Maintenance Command Nagpur, Training Command Bengaluru. Next, Indian Navy Command. Western Naval Command Mumbai, Eastern Naval Command Visakhapatnam, Southern Naval Command Kochi. Note: Andaman and Nicobar Command at Port Blair is the only trash service command of armed forces. Next, Indian Defence Training Institute. Rashtriya Indian Military College RIMC Dehradun, established in 1922. Army Cadet College ACC Dehradun 1929. Indian Military Academy IMA Dehradun 1932. National Defence Academy NDA Khadakwasla Pune 1941. High Altitude Warfare School HAWS Gulmarg 1948. National Defence College NDC New Delhi 1960. Office Training Academy OTA Chennai 1963. Counter Insurgency and Jungle Warfare School, Bhirengote, Mizoram, 1970. College of Defense Management, Secunderabad, 1970. College of Combat Army War College, Maho, Madhya Pradesh, 1971. Army School of Physical Training, ASPT, Pune, 1978. Army Air Defense College, AADC, Gopalpur, Odisha, 1989. Officer Training Academy, Gaya, 2011. Indian National Defense University, INDU, Gurgaon, Haryana, 2013. Rank of Commissioned Officers, Army, Air Force, Navy. Army रहा General, Lieutenant General, Major General, Brigadier, Colonels, Lieutenant Colonels, Major, Captain and Lieutenant. Air Force रहा Air Chief Marshal, Air Marshal, Air Vice Marshal, Air Commander, Group Captain, Wing Commander, Squadron Leader, Flight Lieutenant, Flying Officer. Navy रहला Admiral, Vice Admiral, Rear Admiral, Commander, Captain, Commander, Lieutenant Commander, Lieutenant, Sub-Lieutenant. Missile and other weapons. Agni 2 class and range. MRBM 2500 km. Agni 3 IRBM 3500 km to 5500 km. Agni IV or Agni second prime IRBM 400 km. Agni 5 ICBM 5000 km to 6000 km. Agni 6 ICBM 8000 km to 10,000 km. Barak MRSAM 100 km. Dhanush SRBM 350 km. Nirbhay subsonic cruise missile 1000 km. BrahMos supersonic cruise missile 290 km. BrahMos 2 hyper cruise missile 290 km. Prithvi 1 SRBM 150 km. Prithvi 3 SRBM 360 km. Rudram air to surface anti-radiation missile 125 km. Sagarika SLBM 700 km. Shaurya ITBM 700 km. Astra air to air missile 80 to 100 km. Nag anti-tank 7 km. The recent a post Chief of Defence Staff of created to help improve coordination among the three services of armed forces. The armed forces. This is the highest ranking 4-star officer in the armed forces and it head of the military staff of armed forces and chief executive of Department of Military Affairs, Parliamentary Reserve Force and others agency. Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force ITBP. It was established in 1962 after the Chinese attacks. It is basically employed in northern border for monitoring the border and also to stop smuggling and illegal immigration. Next, National Security Guard NSG. It was established in 1984 to counter the cirque of military in country. It is a highly trained force which deals with the militant effectively. Next, Central Industrial Security Force (CISF). It was set up in 1969 after the recommendation of Justice B. Mukherjee. Its objective is to monitor the industrial complex of central government. Assam Rifle. It was established in 1835 and is the oldest paramilitary force in the country. Its main objective is to keep vigilance of international border in northeast and counter insurgency operation in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. Border Security Force BSF. It was established in 1965. It keeps a vigil over the international border against the intrusion in the country. National Cadet Corps (NCC). It was established in 1948. Its main objective is to stimulate interest among the young in the defense of the country in order to build a reverse manpower to expand armed forces. Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF). It was set up in 1939. Its main objective is to assist the state or union territory police maintains a law and order. The 88th Battalion CRPF, known as Mahila Battalion, commissioned on 30 March 1986, is the world's first paramilitary force comprising entirely of women. Territorial Army (TA). It was established in 1948. It is voluntary part-time force between 18 to 42 years, not of professional soldiers but civilians who wish to assist in defense of the country. Home Guard. It was established in 1962 to assist police maintenance security, to help defense force and help local authority in case of any eventuality. Indian Coast Guard. It was set up in 1971. Its objective to protection of maritime and other national interests in the maritime zone of India. Intelligence Bureau (IB). It was set up in 1920. Its objective is to collect secret information relating to country security. It was originally set up as Central Special Branch (CSBB) in 1887 and renamed IB in 1920. Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). It was established in 1963. Objectives: investigate cases of misconduct by public servant, case of cheating, embezzlement and fraud. CBI is also entrusted with investigation of international crime case in collaboration with Interpol. National Crime Bureau (NCRB). It was established in 1986. Its objective is to collect crime statistics at the national level, information on interstate of international crime to help investigation agency. Rapid Action Force (RAF). It was established in 1991 under the Operation Commander CRPF. 10 battalions of the CRPF have been reoriented for tracking communal riots in the country. Nuclear and Space Research Center in India. India Rare Earth Limited, Mumbai. Uranium Corporation of India Limited, Jadegoda, Jharkhand. Atomic Energy Commission (AEC), Mumbai. Electronic Corporation of India Limited, Hyderabad. Baba Atomic Research Center, Bark, Trombay, Mumbai. Radio Astronomy Central Otakamund, Tamil Nadu; Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai; Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata; Central of Arts Science Study, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala; Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad; Space Commission, Bengaluru; Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram; Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Bengaluru; Space Application Center, Ahmedabad; Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, Thumba, Kerala; second satellite launch port planned, Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. Next, sports. Olympic Games were started in 1776 BC on Mount Olympia in the honor of Greek god Zeus. Is modern Olympic Games were started in Athens, the capital of Greece, on 6th April 1896 with great effort made by French nobleman Baron Pierre de Coubertin. The Olympic Games are organized after 4 years. The Olympic flag is made of white silk and contains 5 intertwined rings of Olympic emblem. The 5 interlaced rings are arranged in 3-2 pattern on a white background, with the blue ring to the extreme left, followed by yellow, black, green, and red in the same order: blue for Europe, black for Africa, red for America, North and South America, yellow for Asia, and green for Oceania, Australia, and New Zealand. The official Olympic motto is Citius Otius Fortius, a Latin phrase meaning swifter, higher, stronger. 2024 Summer Olympic will be held in Paris, France. 2024 Olympics scheduled to be held in Paris, France. Commonwealth Games. Its first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 Hamilton, Canada. Since 1930, the Games have been conducted every 4 years except for 1942 and 1946 due to World War II. The Commonwealth Games Federation, CGF, is the organizer which is responsible for the direction and control the Commonwealth Games. There are currently 53 members in the Commonwealth of Nations. 2018 Commonwealth Games 21st were held in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Most gold medals were won by Australia. 2022 Commonwealth Games was held in Birmingham, England. 23rd Commonwealth Games 2026 will be held in Victoria, Australia. Next, Asian Games. The Asian Games, also called as Asiad, are the multi-sports events held every 4 years among athletics from all over Asia. The Games are regulated by Olympic Council of Asia, OCA, under the supervision of International Olympic Committee, IOC. The first Asian Games were held in 1951 in New Delhi, India. 18 Asian Games of 2018 were held in Jakarta, Indonesia. In which India finished at 8th position. 19 Asian Games were held in Hangzhou, China, 2022. 20 Asian Games 2026 will be held in Aichi, Nagoya, Japan. Cricket World Cup. The first Cricket World Cup was organized in England in 1975. A separate Women's Cricket World Cup has been held in every 4 years since 1973. List of Cricket World Cup. 1975 England, West Indies, beats Australia. 1979 England. West Indies beats England. 1983 England. India beats West Indies. 1987 India. Australia beat England. 1992 Australia. Pakistan beats England. 1996 Pakistan. Sri Lanka beat Australia. 1999 England. Australia beats Pakistan. 2023 South Africa. Australia beats India. 2007 West Indies beats Australia beats Sri Lanka. 2011 India beats Sri Lanka. 2015 Australia and New Zealand. Australia beat New Zealand. 2019 England beats New Zealand. 2023 India schedule. T20 Cricket World Cup 2007 South Africa. India beat Pakistan. 2019 England. Pakistan beats Sri Lanka. 2010 West Indies. England beats Australia. 2012 Sri Lanka. West Indies beats Sri Lanka. 2014 Bangladesh. Sri Lanka beats India. 2016 India. West Indies beat England. 2021 India. Australia won against New Zealand. 2022 Australia. England won against Pakistan. Hockey World Cup. The first Hockey World Cup was organized in Barcelona, Spain in 1971. Women's Hockey World Cup has been held since 1974. The 13th Men's Hockey World Cup held in the Netherlands Hague in 2014. The 14th Men's Hockey World Cup was held in India, Bhubaneswar in 2018. Belgium won this champions, beating Netherlands. The 15th Men's Hockey World Cup is scheduled held in 2023. Bhubaneswar and Raurkela. Football World Cup. Football World Cup is organized by FIFA Federation International Football Association. The World Cup is called Julius Rimet's Cup. Jules Rimet's Cup, named after the name of FIFA President Julius Rimet. The first Football World Cup was organized in Uruguay in 1930. In 1942 and 46, Football World Cup was not played due to World War II. Next, 20th FIFA World Cup held in Brazil, in which Germany became the champion by defeating Argentina 1-0 in the final. Brazil is the only nation to have participated in every World Cup so far. In 2018, Football World Cup was held at Russia. France won this championship, beating Croatia. 2020 Football World Cup was held in Qatar. Argentina won this championship, beating France. 2026 FIFA World Cup is scheduled to be held in Canada, USA, Canada, Mexico. Next, UNA, United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization, World Organization, formed in 24 October 1945. It came into existence after World War II, when the leader of the world, including American President Roosevelt and British Prime Minister Churchill, decided to create a world organization that would help to ensure peace. The original member of 51 nations has grown up 190 to 193 members. The 193 members being two newly created South Sudan, the United Nations headquarters New York City, the UN also office Nairobi, Kenya, Geneva, Switzerland, and Vienna, Australia. The General Assembly is the main place to discuss the policy making in the United Nations. Next, the Security Council has primarily responsible for the maintenance of international peace and security. The Security Council is made of 15 members. There are 5 permanent members of the Security Council: China, France, Russia, United Kingdom, and USA, and 9 non-permanent members elected for 2 years term selecting 1st January. Non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council Estonia 2021, India 2022, Ireland 2022, Kenya 2022, Mexico 2022, Niger 2021, Norway 2022, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines 2021, Tunisia 2021, Vietnam 2021. Economic and Social Council is the principal body for coordination, policy review, policy dialogue and recommendation of economic, social, and environmental issues. The Secretariat comprises the Secretary General and other staff who carry out day-to-day work of UN. The International Court of Justice (ICJ), located in The Hague, Netherlands, is the primary judicial organ of the United Nations. Established in 1945 by the United Nations Charter, the court began work in 1946 as the successor to the Parliament Court of International Justice. Trygve Lie of Norway 1946 to 52 was the first Secretary General of UN. Antonio Guterres is newly Secretary UN General of UN, is succeeded by Ban Ki-moon. Some importance of UN agency: International Telecommunication Union (ITU) 1865 Headquarters General. Purpose: set international regulation for radio, telegraph, telephone, and space radio communication. International Labour Organization (ILO) 1919 Geneva. International Monetary Fund IMF 1945 Washington DC. United Nations International Children Emergency Fund UNICEF 1945 New York. Food and Agriculture Organization 1945 FAO Rome. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO 1946 Paris. World Health Organization WHO 1948 Geneva. International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA 1957 Vienna. International Development Association IDA 1960 Washington DC. United Nations Development Program UNDP 1965 New York. United Nations Environment Program UNEP 1972 Nairobi, Kenya. World Trade Organization WTO 1995 Geneva. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime UNODC 1997 Vienna, Kenya. UN Women's 2010 New York City, USA. World Food Program 1961 Rome. Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development OECD 1961 Paris, France. Next, others international organization and groups. Commonwealth 1926 London. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC 1989 Singapore. Asian Development Bank ADB 1966 Manila. South Asian Southeast Asian Nation ASEAN Jakarta 1967. Commonwealth of Independent States CIS 1991 Minsk, Belarus. Group of Seven G7 1975 Group of 15 G5 1989 Geneva Switzerland. International Olympic Committee IOC 1994 Lausanne Switzerland. International Organization for Standardization ISO 1947 Geneva Switzerland. Non-aligned movement NAM 1961 European Union EU 1993 Brussels Belgium. North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO 1949 Brussels Belgium. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Country OPEC 1960 Vienna Austria. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC 1985 Kathmandu Nepal. Amnesty International AI 1961 London UK. World Wildlife Fund WWF for Nature 1961 Gland Switzerland. Shanghai Cooperation Organization previously Shanghai 5 1996 Beijing China. Gulf Cooperation Council 1981 Riyadh Saudi Arabia. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation BIMSTEC 1997 Dhaka Bangladesh.